Welcome back to Nature Kids, and today we'll be doing grade 6 Geography English Medium lesson 3 Good Maintenance of Immediate Surroundings of Your Home. Moving on, first we have maintaining our home environment. It is important to keep the surroundings of our home clean and healthy. The main natural components are land, water, soil, plants, animals, and the atmosphere. As human knowledge and activities increase, they can also affect the environment and cause problems. Therefore, it is our duty to protect and conserve the environment and keep the surroundings of our homes healthy. Main objective: to identify the natural components around our homes and learn how to maintain and protect them properly. Land. Uses of land. Land is an important component of the environment. It is used for settlements, agriculture, industries, buildings, irrigation, roads, cities, and mineral resources. It also provides a place for plants and animals to live. We can protect our immediate environment by planning and properly maintaining our home gardens and school gardens. Proper use of land. Identify places where soil erosion occurs and grow cover crops, build stone ledges, or make drains. Also, mind the cat meowing in the background. My cat's just gone crazy or something, I don't know. And cover the soil with chaff, coir, dust, or straw. Make a compost pit using kitchen waste or dry leaves to produce fertilizer. Irregular use of land. Shortage of drinking water, droughts, large-scale expansion of agricultural lands, cultivation on mountain slopes, excessive use of agrochemicals, clay extraction of tiles and bricks, excessive sand mining in rivers, limestone mining, and irregular gem mining. Water. Water is an essential natural resource of all living beings. It is used for many purposes, such as drinking, cooking, bathing, agriculture, industries, generating electricity, and cleaning and washing. The problems of water shortage and methods of water conservation. Oh god, that is bad grammar. Anyway, the problems arising with water shortage. Shortage of pure drinking water, threat for the existence of living beings, failure of agricultural and industrial activities, spread of diseases, soil infertility, failure in generating hydroelectricity. Methods of water conservation. Prevention of misuse and wastage of water. Consideration given to careful use of water. Prevention of polluting drinking water, protection of the forest cover and motivation of plant trees, conservation of water resources and prevention of water pollution, making people aware of the importance of water conservation, using wastewater in domestic use for other purposes, training people to use rainwater tanks. So now we're going to talk about water pollution. So water pollution, you probably know about this because, yeah, what do your parents say when they see the news and somehow the ocean's connected to it? Water pollution. Anyway, so water pollution is just mostly the ocean or just water getting polluted by chemicals, the disposal of garbage, stuff like that. So mostly it just gets dirty and very, very toxic if like chemicals are put into water. Now let's talk about air. Air pollution. Air is essential for the survival of living beings. Oxygen is needed for breathing while nitrogen is important for plant growth. Air becomes polluted due to various human activities. Air pollution has harmful effects on humans, animals, and plants. Effects of air pollution. Harmful effects of air pollution: respiratory diseases, cough, lung cancer, asthma, and severe headache. Acid rain, water pollution, destruction of aquatic organisms, destruction of forests, and damage to soil. Energy. Energy sources. Energy is essential for our daily activities. We use energy for cooking food, cleaning, lighting, communication, transportation. The sun is the basic source of all energy. In ancient times, people used human power and later used animals to perform various tasks. Humans and animals get energy from food. Machines get energy from fuel, electricity, and other sources. Increasing demand for energy. Reasons for increasing energy demand. Increase in population, increase in consumer needs, growth of industries, development of transportation, and improvement of living standards. 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 Anyway, main energy sources: hydroelectricity, mineral oil, natural gas, solar power, and firewood. How to save energy at home. Use lights only when necessary. Use energy efficient LED bulbs. Keep refrigerator door closed as much as possible. Iron clothes together at one time. Use effective firewood stoves. Switch off cookers after use. Use sustainable utensils when cooking with gas. Plan several tasks in one vehicle journey to save fuel. Different types of energy sources and occasions where they are used. So here we have some energy like sources, and you probably know this stuff like those street lights, lamps, ironing your clothes, electric, like those cookers that work on electricity, stuff like that. Economical use of energy sources. Energy effective bulbs. A 60-watt bulb can be replaced by an 11-watt CFL bulb with the same amount of light. Using 5 11-watt CFL bulbs instead of 5 60-watt bulbs save 245 watt of electricity. A 100-watt bulb can be replaced by a 9-watt LED bulb with similar brightness. LED and CFL bulbs help save electricity and reduce energy consumption. Biogas and solar energy. Biogas is an important alternative source of energy used for household needs. Materials used to produce biogas: kitchen waste, plant materials such as salvia, monochoria, and glycidia, glycidia, small pieces of hay, liquid cow dung. Benefits of biogas: provides energy for cooking and electricity, helps manages household waste. The remaining waste can be used as rich manure for the home garden. Solar power. Solar cells convert sunlight into electricity. Solar power is environmentally friendly. Although the initial cost is high, it does not cause significant environmental damage compared with many other energy sources. Now we're gonna learn about disposal of waste materials. Yay! Anyway, waste management. Waste materials are discarded items from homes, schools, farms, and industries. Types of waste: domestic waste, agriculture waste, industrial waste. Improper waste disposal can cause air, water, and land pollution. The 3 R's. The first one is reuse. Use items again. Examples: textbooks, boxes, and glass bottles. Recycle. Process materials such as plastic and polythene to make new products. Reduce. Minimize the use of non-degradable items such as plastic and polythene. So that's all for today, guys. Like and subscribe. Like I always say, it makes me happy. Anyway, I need a break, and so does my throat. It is on life support. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video, and until next time, it's me, Devdi from Nature Kids, signing off. Bye bye.